Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today how to curl your hair with the regular spring curling iron. So first, all you need is you want to have a heat protectant already put in your hair. You want to have a curling iron. You can see a little curl I did from a little snippet I did on Instagram. You can smooth out your hair first, like comb it out, but you want some clips. So you want to section your hair. So I'm going to start temple to temple, and I'm going to pin that up. However you want, just get it out of the way. And then I'm going to go ear to ear. So what I'm going to do, I already have the heat protectant on, I said. So I'm going to take this first section. You want to go, start at the top. You can go down, smooth out your section completely. Then I want to go away from my face. So I want to go down, put some hair in, go down, curl it up, add more hair, curl it up. And then I go just till the ends are out and let that set. Bring it down. And I'm just gonna grab just the two sections here because the bottom, there's not a lot of hair down there. So, same thing, go away from the face. What this does is it helps to give you an even heat distribution throughout all of your curl. That way you don't end up frying your ends. You know, back in the day when it was bring your curling iron all the way down to the bottom, go all the way back up. By the time you would get any heat up here, your ends had already been in the curling iron for so long that then you got fried, damaged ends. We don't want that. And leave all the curls how they are. Don't pull them out. Don't use your fingers or a comb or anything because you want to let them completely set and cool in your section there. So I'm going to take down my next section. Again, I'm going to go away from my face. Some curling irons, the hair will glide really easily through, just rolling it down. Some not as much. Some you need to open the clamp up. This one, it's a little bit older. My favorite curling iron I have is actually at the salon. And leave a little bit of that hair out of the bottom just to give that more lived in, soft kind of look of a curl. You can either roll it out like this to get a little bit more curl or just pull it down. Okay. I'm gonna grab the back section. So you want to rotate your curls so that way some go one way, some go the other way. It doesn't have to be exact where every single curl, is opposite of each other, but just try to remember. Because that way then it'll help give more movement to your hair. This does not want to roll in there, does it? So if that happens, just keep clamping it down. You'll get that hair to go through. And then I just put my fingers up here, wait until it's nice and warm to the top, and slide it down. So what I was saying is if you do the curls going opposite of each other, they're gonna give you more movement because your curls are gonna end up bouncing off of each other instead of getting stuck into like one giant sausage roll. And you can see I don't do super small sections. However, if you, let's say, have a large curling iron and your hair does not hold curl well, do a smaller section. If you only have a smaller curling iron and you have long hair, like I have here, do larger sections because I want to have looser curl. I always like to go away from the face when you're right around here. It just opens up the face more. But that's total personal preference. Also, if your hair does not hold curl well, you can pre-hairspray. So I can do like a light hairspray through this section and then go, wrap it around. And then once everything cools and I get my curls all formed together just how I want it, I can do a heavier hairspray if you choose. I don't always put hairspray in, and the curls seem to hold pretty well, but it just depends how well your hair holds curl. Oh, that one didn't curl as nice, so let's do it again. If sometimes you feel like they get too big like that, I'll sometimes unwind it. And then it seems like it holds the curl in that shape a little bit better. So you can see I'm probably only doing like 5 curls per section. So it's not a lot of time. I can get through my whole head, which I actually have fine hair, but I have a lot of it, and I can get through it pretty quickly. And then the nice thing is, let's say this is day 1 or day 2 hair. The next day, I can just take it and kind of go through and just touch up a few curls throughout and wear it back down again. Or another thing I do is I'll go around to the side. Little squeaky. Sounds like a little mouse. So this section you can see I have a little bit of a layer, so I'm going to take the bangs out separate. And you can do, away from your face, towards your face. Like I said, I like away. All right, so I always turn my curling iron off as soon as I'm finished curling, and then I don't have to wonder. So a little pro tip there. So you wanna wait for your curls to be completely smooth, and then I like to take some of the Bath Suit oil from Surface, and I'll put just a little bit through, probably like the size of a dime. And I will just finger comb through my hair. You can also take a brush. That's an option too. But I just tend to use my fingers. There you go. And that's how I tend to do my curls. So that's a little curly there. I'll just wrap that in with that one. All right, you guys, well, I hope you found this helpful. Comment below, let me know, is this different than how you normally curl your hair? And also, are there any other styling videos that you would love to see? Comment below, let me know, and I will work on that for you. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.